AliExpress Dropshipping Center Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to this AliExpress Dropshipping Center review. Links to AliExpress and recommended dropshipping tools are included in the description below. The AliExpress Dropshipping Center is a powerful tool for dropshippers looking to source products directly from AliExpress. It simplifies product research, helps identify trending products, and offers insights into supplier performance, making it easier for entrepreneurs to scale their business. Features. The AliExpress Dropshipping Center provides a range of tools designed to streamline your product sourcing process. It offers a product analysis feature that helps identify trending items based on sales volume, reviews, and order trends. You can also view the top suppliers for each product, ensuring that you choose reliable partners for your store. The platform allows you to track pricing changes and monitor stock levels, helping you avoid product out-of-stock situations. Additionally, it provides valuable metrics like product ratings and supplier reliability to ensure you're partnering with quality vendors. The Dropshipping Center integrates seamlessly with Shopify and other platforms, enabling easy product import and automatic order fulfillment. Who is it for? The AliExpress Dropshipping Center is perfect for both beginners and experienced dropshippers looking to source products for their online store. It's particularly useful for those already using AliExpress as their main supplier and who want to optimize their product research and supplier management process. Strengths. One of the key strengths of the AliExpress Dropshipping Center is its ability to quickly identify trending products, which is invaluable for staying ahead of market trends. The platform's data-driven insights help you make informed decisions about which products to sell and which suppliers to trust. It's also completely free to use, which makes it highly accessible for anyone looking to start or grow their dropshipping business. Its integration with platforms like Shopify makes importing products simple and efficient. Weaknesses. While the AliExpress Dropshipping Center offers great insights, it's still limited by the AliExpress marketplace, meaning you're often dealing with suppliers from China. This can result in longer shipping times, which may affect customer satisfaction. Additionally, the tool doesn't offer the same level of automation and inventory management features as some dedicated dropshipping platforms, which could make managing a larger store more time-consuming. In conclusion, the AliExpress Dropshipping Center is a powerful tool for dropshippers looking to optimize their sourcing process and make data-driven decisions. If you're ready to take your dropshipping business to the next level, check out the links in the description and start using the AliExpress Dropshipping Center today.